In this video, I'll show you how to convert Lazada Coins to GCash. The first thing to know is that Lazada Coins are not cash. Lazada's terms describe rewards like LazCoins as virtual rewards under its platform tools, and Lazada Wallet is the feature used for payments and, in some cases, withdrawals. That means Lazada Coins are meant to be used inside Lazada, not withdrawn directly to GCash like cash. So if you're looking for a button that says Convert Coins to GCash, Lazada does not provide a normal direct option for that. The withdraw rules in Lazada's e-wallet terms apply to the Lazada Wallet, and even then, withdrawals are subject to eligibility checks and must go to an account under the same verified name. Those wallet withdrawal rules do not mean LazCoins themselves can be cashed out to GCash. What you can do instead is use your Lazada coins during checkout to reduce the amount you need to pay for eligible purchases. That is the normal use of LazCoins based on Lazada's platform reward terms. So again, you can't directly convert Lazada coins to GCash. Lazada coins are for in-app rewards and discounts, while GCash Cash Out is a different feature tied to eligible Lazada wallet balances, not coins. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.